boys and girls, it's Miss Allison. How are you? Today we're going to go on a nature walk scavenger hunt. We're going to look around outside here for really cool things. So I made this. This is our list. We're going to look for a leaf, a tree, grass, seeds, sticks, dirt or sand, a flower, rocks, a creek, and clouds. Okay? So, the first thing is a leaf. I think we can find some leaves. Looking around here on the ground, here's a leaf here. So this would be a leaf. So we found our first thing. Our second thing is a tree. So there's lots of them around, but there's this one right here. This tree even has flowers on it. So that's a tree with flowers. So we found a leaf and we found a tree. So now we have to look for some grass. This would be grass. There's grass over here. Okay, so that would count as our grass. So we found our first three things. 1, 2, 3. Our next thing to try to find is a seed. There's lots of different seeds. I think we have some over here. Over here we have this kind of seed. We also have an acorn. That's a seed. Walnuts, those are seeds. You can grow trees from those. And we have these things. These are like thistles and the seeds fall out of the top. Those grow over here. They get really tall at the top of it. So, we found a leaf, a tree, grass. We found lots of different seeds. So now we have to look for a stick. And these I see here too. Lots of sticks. Stick. So next we have to look for dirt or sand. And that we're gonna look for over here. So here's dirt in between where the grass is growing. Okay, I don't see any sand, but we're looking for a flower. Lots of flowers. I found a flower over here. And here's a flower over here. This is a dandelion flower. This looks more like the picture because it's yellow. So there's also those kind of flowers. So now we need to find rocks. There's little rocks. Here's a little rock. But over here are big rocks. Here's big rocks that you could climb or you can jump on or that you could play on. Okay, that's a big rock. So we found all this stuff. Now we need to look for a creek. And it hasn't rained in a while, but there's one over here. Follow me. These are bluebells. Look how pretty these flowers are over here. Nice and bright. So here's the creek. Come on over here. And a butterfly. We'll zoom in on the water. This is a creek that my kids used to like to play at when they were little. When it rains more, it'll get deeper. So we found a creek. So now we got everything but the cloud. And I do see some white, fluffy clouds with a nice blue sky, puffy white clouds. So it looks like we found everything on our list. But there are other things that you can look for outside that might not be on the list. Do you see the flowering tree over there? That we could have put on there. And over here's a log. We could have put this on there as well. Well, thank you for coming with me on my nature hunt, scavenger hunt, nature walk. It was fun. We'll get together another time. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.